Alright, so I want to share a little progress update on what I've done so far since the last video, which was I think about 2-ish weeks ago. I've built out all of the landing page for the website and all the authentication is completely done. User able to create and delete accounts and all of that stuff. I've also added in the ability for users to add in the entries and view entries, since obviously it's a journaling app. I've made it somewhat mobile responsive. That is still something I do need to work on though, since the main page is a little bit finicky sometimes, but I should be able to get that done. It shouldn't be that bad. I do have a couple big things I still have left to do. I'm way ahead of schedule. I wanted to get the MVP out and shipped by the end of the year. As I'm recording this, it's like September 22nd, I think. So I have a ton of time till my original deadline, but if I can get it out faster than what I originally anticipated, that'd be better. Alright, so I do want to give you guys a little demo of what I've worked on so far, so let's do that now. Alright, so here I just started up development server. This is everything that I've worked on so far. So this is the landing page for the app. Cool transition. I know, so crazy, but this is something how I would want like the mobile app to look whenever I do get to making a mobile app, but I just needed something to put here. I'm probably going to change it to what the actual app will look like once I've like fully finished it. But for now, this is what it's looking like. Jotter is a journal-based location app to help you remember life's most important moments. It's your personal mental health journal. So that is essentially what I'm building for anyone who doesn't know or didn't watch the last video, which you should, by the way. And then I have just a little Q&A section. So what is it? Which just explain that. And then where can I use it? So Jotter, as far as right now, I'm only using, I'm only building a web app. And then how much does it cost? Nothing. Yep, you did read and hear that correctly. I won't be having any paywalls or subscriptions. And like I said, all that I would ask you to do is just share it with your friends. If possible, donate. So the way that I do plan on making money is mostly I'm trying to keep it open source and fund it through any means necessary that is not like a subscription, because I just don't want to charge anyone a subscription for this. So if we do get started, this is the authentications. Here are all of the entries. So this is how the app's looking like. Obviously we have that little animation and it shows you the date. This does function, this does work. And I have a little search bar which brings you up to a little modal, my god, I can't talk. And nothing works yet, but that is another feature that I do need to add, so just close out of that. And a little sign up button, and then all of these different journal entries. So this one, if you click it, should be the third one, and then this little smiley face, I'll explain it in just a second. And then obviously at the bottom right here, it shows you the latitude and longitude of wherever I entered this in. I think this is like New York or something. I do have to reverse geocode this back. I'm not 100% sure if I should display like the location right here, or I should just save all that just for the for this right here, the map, which I haven't finished, actually started. But do let me know in the comments what you think I should do. Should I keep it without the latitude and longitude on the actual journal entry, or should I like reverse geocode it and like display the name? So like if I put in like LA, for example, it'd show Los Angeles. So let me know in the comments below. This isn't final. I'm probably gonna change this because this doesn't look the greatest. And then to add an entry, this little button right here, and this is the add entry form. So now you can kind of tell what that little smiley face for. Title it, so like hello, for example, and then whatever, I don't know, subscribe, which you should, by the way. But here asks you how you feel, or how does it make you feel. So if you do subscribe, it'll make me feel really happy, so make sure you do, or else this won't make any sense. Yeah, anyway, and then you can add in a location. So let's just say Chicago, and I don't remember if I removed the console logs or not, but if I did, when I do add an entry, here is the entry. So if we read it, tells you, and then whatever the emotion was. So that's the entire app basically so far. Obviously I have to get that map feature done, which I will work on in a bit, but that's that. Today I want to work on a minor feature but still important, which is the entries appearing in descending order based on time. First, I have to restructure the way I'm loading in entries and create a Firestore query. Then I have to use the getDocs function to specify where the documents will be by passing in the query object. Then it's a simple for each loop of creating HTML elements to display on the UI. I have to make sure to add proper element IDs or else the other features will break. But that's enough coding for today. I'll see you guys in the next video. So thanks for watching.